We're learning the out-of-control wildfires burning across the Texas Panhandle have officially killed an 83-year-old grandmother. So far, more than 1 million acres scorched, homes leveled just down to the studs at this point. The largest of those fires is the Smokehouse Creek fire. It's grown to about 850,000 acres. It is now the second biggest wildfire in Texas state history. Then, when you add in the Windy Deuce fire to those numbers, this is where we cross that horrible million-acre mark. Governor Greg Abbott has issued disaster declarations for 60 counties at this point, and hundreds of firefighters from dozens of fire departments all over that state have been called in to help out. Joining me now is Public Information Officer Craig Trojacek from the Fort Worth Fire Department, which has sent firefighters and other resources in to assist. Craig, thanks for being with me. I mean, talk about a devastating week for the state of Texas. What's the update from your crews on the ground at this hour?
Well, this morning, you know, they're trying to wake up. They've gotten some rest. You know, when these fires take off, our crews go there and they can be fighting fire for 24 to 36 hours without a break. So they were trying to get ahead of the fire, which this thing has a pretty good run on us right now. Hopefully with the weather and stuff that's coming forward, it will kind of help us get a better handle on it right now.
Mm-hmm. You know, I was thinking about this morning. So many towns in the Panhandle, they're small, right? They're rural, only have volunteer fire departments. Your department stepped up to the plate to lend a helping hand. What resources have you found that area needs the most?
Yeah, so it's not just us. I mean, we're happy to do it, but it's the state of Texas at this point. I mean, as many people that can and have the resources that are sending them that way. All these different departments and surrounding states as well are sending them this way. We have sent 15 of our firefighters that are wildland trained, so they're highly trained individuals in these types of fires. We started shipping them out on Tuesday, as well as 2 of our brush trucks and another support vehicle for that fire.
I mean, just look at this smoke on our screen. You know, the visuals that are coming into our newsroom have been astounding this week. It's fire, it's smoke in every direction. How are your men and women describing what they're seeing when it comes to the devastation and the conditions?
Yeah, it's tragic. I mean, you go up in that part of the country right now and you see what the viewers are seeing, and you realize that people's livelihoods are being lost very, very quickly. Throughout the state, you'll see bales of hay going in that direction. You'll see cattle trailers going away from that direction. Farmers and ranchers are doing everything they can to help one another out. They understand that could be them at any point in time. So the firefighters are working diligently to not only try to save the lives of people that are in their homes and can't evacuate, but also to cut fences and get these cattle and other livestock out to save the lives of those as well. So
it's terribly sad to see all that cattle running for cover. We know families have done the exact same. You brought up the weather that's on the horizon. I was under the impression this weekend was going to be dry and windy, not help things out much. Has something changed? Do you think y'all will be in better hands this weekend in terms of the forecast?
Yeah, I'm hoping the wind slows down a little bit.
Okay.
Like I said, Mother Nature plays a very big role in how these fires progress and how quickly we can get a hold of them. It sounds like, and I'm not a weatherman, but it sounds like the winds are going to die down a little bit. We may get a little bit of precipitation and moisture in the air, which will definitely help. But yeah, right now we're just all praying for the weather to kind of settle down a little bit so we can get a better handle on this fire.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.